Alright, so today we are looking at something that might actually change how fashion design works. Not in a this is a cool AI art way, but this might replace half of your workflow kind of way. This is Look AI, and it claims that to be your entire fashion design assistant. And yeah, that's a big claim. So let's check it out. So Look AI is basically an AI-powered fashion design platform. And here's the key difference. It is not trying to replace designers. It is trying to speed them up by simplifying the fashion design workflow. And that matters because right now, fashion design is kind of messy. You sketch somewhere, you render somewhere else, you edit in another tool, then sampling happens, which costs money and time. Post-sampling, redesign, and corrections kind of lengthens the design time and delays production. Look AI is trying to compress all of that into one place. And according to them, 100,000 plus designers are already using it across 190 plus countries. They have even been featured in Vogue Business. So yeah, it's not just another random AI app. Getting started is actually super simple. For Windows, download the app from Microsoft Store. For iOS, from App Store. Log in using Gmail ID, and that's it. The interface, very clean. No learning curve panic. Now let's move on to the fun part, that is testing its features. Real-time design. So how it starts is you either mirror your iPad or any drawing tab and start sketching. And as I drew, the garment was already forming on the screen. No rendering, no waiting, just thinking, drawing and visualizing. And then you can talk to it, prompt it, like change the fabric to silk or adjust color, and it updates. This is closest to thinking in visuals I have seen in any fashion AI. Also, the biggest USP, real-time AI while sketching. Now this one feels like cheating, but in a good way. Upload your hand-drawn sketch or any existing flat, like I used the one from Pinterest. Prompt, yellow knit dress. Boom. You get a full-sized garment in actual fabric, texture, depth. Then I pushed it a little further, re-prompted, denim torso and knit skirt, and it understood the segmentation. Then I tried prints. Not satisfied by the default prints it gave, so I used reference images. And that is where Look AI shines. It doesn't just generate, it adapts to your inputs. There is also a special feature called visual research. This shows you similar designs online and helps avoid copying the existing ones, helps build collections and their looks. This is actual design thinking support. Classic AI feature, but with a fashion brain. If you're not great with detailed prompting, you can learn by trying out existing prompts. Like I tried one from the app. It generates 4 looks by default, and honestly, it looked like a plaid winter campaign, like something you see in United Colors of Benetton. But here's the difference from tools like Midjourney. These outputs are actually usable for design workflows. This one feels like controlled Photoshop, but AI powered. It's like creating images from ingredient elements. I tested an image of an outfit flat lay and gave the model as Audrey Hepburn. The prompt was, make her wear this outfit. And it was immediately done. Though I was not happy with the backdrop generated. Then I tried another edit, and here I gave it the background of an English garden. Done again. And it follows all instructions accurately. Most AI tools give you unpredictable results. Look AI is controllable at every step. This is underrated, but an extreme help when you need flat garments from complicated garment designs. All you have to do is upload a garment image, select a category, top, bottom, dress, and it generates a technical flat sketch. The technical flat sketch generated will have all the details, drapes, and construction clarity. Normally, this takes skill and time, and here it's ready within seconds. This is for collection building. This is a great tool and is helpful when you're trying to visualize a garment in a variety of prints. Upload your flat and a print swatch, and it applies it perfectly. This is very helpful if you're doing print collections, variation. This might save you hours. The same idea, but for fabric behavior. Here you can visualize your garment in a variety of fabrics to see the drape, fall, and volume. This is where Look AI hits its core value, that is reducing sampling cost, because you can preview everything digitally. Virtual try-on. This is where fashion meets content creation. Here I uploaded a model image, a garment to be tried, and selected the category. Generate, and now you have a perfect model wearing the outfit that you wanted to try. It is taking fashion photography to next level. Now you don't have to spend dollars for fashion photo shoots. You can simply upload garments and repurpose existing shoots. Simple yet powerful. Upload a garment photo, select an area which you want to mask for recolor, pick color, generate. Instant colorways, perfect for range planning and bio presentation. Fashion collage, and my favorite. This one feels like creative playground mode, a feature that I extremely love from this app. Being a fashion designer, I always have these boards saved where I pin details that I admired from various designers in a hope that I may recreate them in future, or they might serve as an inspiration to design. And here is a quick way to mix and merge in Look AI. All you have to do is upload a base garment and select a reference element. Like here, I uploaded a white ivory dress and a 3D flower. The prompt placement was left shoulder, and done. You got a new garment with the 3D flower. Now I wanted sheerness in the flower, so I refined it to change it to tulle. Done again. Absolute design sorcery. And this is where it gets interesting. You can use a variety of inputs from architecture, nature, jewelry as inspiration. This is not just AI. This feature is ideal for experimental fashion concepts, exploring silhouettes and garment structure, editing and redesigning various garment details. So here's what Look AI is really trying to solve. The current problems, that is too many tools, slow sampling, fragmented workflow, and their solution, one platform, fashion-specific AI. It supports the core workflow, that is, from inspiration to style development to visual representation. So is Look AI worth it? Definitely. If you're a fashion designer, stylist, a creative director, or even a fashion photographer. This is not optional. It is a workflow upgrade. And that's the balance most AI tools have still not figured out. This is probably one of the most practical AI tools that I've tested for design. And I'll be honest, this is just version 1. If this evolves the way I think it will, fashion design is about to move fast. Go give it a try. The link for this particular AI is in my description. If you want more breakdowns like this, AI tools, design workflows, real-world testing, hit subscribe. Because we are getting just started. See you in the next one. Until then, keep creating.